So as you're actually making changes to the tables that you have right here, what happens is that temporary data is actually stored out so that you can recover the data as you want and so forth. But that actually comes at a price. It does take a bit of storage space on your computer and does cause the database to slow down. So if you want to remove out all the temporary data and you're absolutely sure that you don't want to revert back to any previous version, so you don't want any recovery option, then you can go to database tool option right here. And here you can see compact and repair database is an option right here. So once you click on compact and repair database, what happens is that it removes out all of the temporary data right here. And as I click on it, you can see that it closes out everything right here. So it throws out all the temporary data. So there's no way that you can recover now. And what happens is that it reduces the file size and it also deletes out all of the temporary data that you have in your database. And none of the data that you are currently working on is lost, but any temporary data there that might be there, it'll delete everything out. And that is how you can use compact and repair database tool in order to remove out temporary files and to make your database faster and to remove out extra content from your database within Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.